Dobro Yutro, Divine Pisces, 222. It is Friday. Yay, Friday. Thank God. June 12th, 2020. I'm going to do a daily message from Spirit for you guys today. I think so far, honestly, the message right now is just to basically release the control, because right now it literally everything is in chaos. Everything you see is just like, what is happening? And that's the thing, is it's like it doesn't make sense to a lot of us, you know. Some of us it does make sense, but at the same time it's like what's happening doesn't make sense, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's just like, yeah, it's kind of hard to square a lot of it. So basically it's like, you know what, just release control. Like, pray, send positive energy, send love, send forgiveness, and just release it. Okay, let things unfold the way they're going to unfold. Let karma take its course, that sort of thing. First card out, letting go. Didn't even see this, so there you go. That's confirmation enough for me. Yeah, letting go of what's gone. Letting go of what's gone, letting go of what's leaving, letting go of, some of you letting go of the empty feeling. Some of you, there has been like this perpetual feeling of emptiness, that you have to have something to fill that void. And a lot of us, you know, with everything that happened, with the shutdown and stuff like that, you know, we didn't have those distractions. We didn't have anything to fill that void for us. And those of us who were in separation from our counterparts, that really highlighted the fact that we had to complete ourselves, okay? That I think is the biggest test right now, is releasing that mentality, okay? That you releasing this idea that you're not whole within yourself, okay? That you are, you know, your external beauty is a reflection of your internal beauty. Basically meaning, if you love yourself, it's gonna manifest externally. And the way that you love yourself is an example to others of how to love you. It's also an example to others of how they should love themselves. Do you see what I'm saying? You're literally spreading the love around by loving yourself, if that makes sense, okay? Yeah. I just feel, I mean, a lot of us have been incredibly defensive here as of late, and you know, with good reason. You know, rationally it makes sense. You know, with everything that's going on, it's kind of like, you know, everybody's for themselves, you know. It's this whole idea of a free-for-all, you know, everyone for themselves, you know. But I feel like we need to kind of come out of that. We need to think cohesively. We need to think, you know, instead of defensively, you know, again, putting out that good energy, putting out the good vibes, putting out, you know, the love vibes, basically. And how do we do that, of course, is by, I think I mentioned this last time about, basically, what is my reality? Which reality do I choose, right? The reality I choose, you know, is the one of abundance. The reality that you should choose, of course, is the one of abundance, you know, taking care of yourself, making sure that, you know, you are good. And once you are in that space, then you can help to raise the collective. You know, a lot of us, there has been, you know, this whole idea of no communication, of or not even no communication, just like a confusion in communication, almost like a misunderstanding. There's a lot of misunderstanding going on right now. I think something's in retrograde. I don't know if it's Mercury or not. I have to go back and look. But it's like just a lot of misunderstandings happening right now. And I feel like that that is part of why we are defensive right now. But yeah, it's just like overwhelming at this point, okay? So needing to definitely let that energy go, okay? Because once you do that, then you can move forward. Because keeping yourself stuck in that confusion energy, or in that not understanding energy, is going to keep you stuck in general. So needing to release that, okay? It says believe in the impossible. I don't believe in the impossible because I don't believe anything is impossible, but I understand the message of this card. basically keep true to yourself, okay? Everything is possible. That's the point of that card, okay? Just need to bring balance into the situation, all right? Definitely new starts are coming, guys. I mean, just things are burning right now, literally. Like, things are collapsing, and there will be a new start. Things will happen in a different way, okay? But it's definitely a time to give rather than take. Maybe volunteer, or even just give to yourself. Some of you haven't been giving to yourself enough. You've been neglecting yourself, okay? So take some time for yourself, nurture yourself, that sort of thing, okay? All right, guys. Well, I hope this has helped. If it has, please like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.